another video. It's May Day, May weekend, May month. My birthday just passed. It was last Sunday on Mother's Day. It was Ramadan as well. So Ramadan is finally over and we're about to turn up. I have a few things that I'm doing today. What am I doing? My makeup, checking into my hotel, doing a photo shoot, and getting ready for tonight's antics. I'm not sure what's going on tonight. They told me to get dressed and be at a place, so I'll tune you guys in. Stay tuned in. I'll be vlogging the whole weekend. I'm done with my makeup. I'm about to go to meet Mayy because she has to curl this hairline. I'm horrible with hair, so I kind of undid the flexi rods and it kind of came out like crazy, and I want her to like curl them again and give me the vibe that I had yesterday when I got it done. So that's what I'm about to do right now. Head to Harlem. Yeah, what do you guys think of my makeup? She did a great job. Just reached Naima's building and she about to flex these curls. Do my hair. I already spoke that you was doing my hair. She over here trying to look cute for the camera.
Because let me get my angle laid. Let me fix the shirt all big.
Yo, this girl's crazy.
Where you going after this? Am I your last stop?
And then the photo shoot.
Oh, girl, doing a photo shoot. Let me know, yo.
No, you good. You good. The photo shoot's at 5.
She's still let me get my shirt together, y'all.
I think that's the size she used yesterday. Almost done. See, I see. Like,
how you gonna do all that and I'm doing all this?
Oh my god. Let's get into the bag. Cause I know y'all seen earlier it was like
she got me
frizzy.
I'm doing all that and you doing. She trifling.
Woo! A bit about to be photo shoot ready. Okay.
You gonna get me a now. Hi y'all.
Hey everyone.
Alright, bye. Get out my face. I'm just trying to put this down somewhere.
Okay.
I'm gonna use the got to be spray on this one.
Okay.
Alright.
Turn this way.
But it's okay. It's okay.
It's fine, yeah. Ooh. Look at me. Look at me. This is so cute. Ooh, I'm going to be in this tub. I got some blue roses. Okay. And then I got another gift. I got another gift. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Good to see. Oh, this is a gift receipt. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I got some Hermes slides. Let me see. Oh, my leg's ashy, but it fits. I got some Hermes slides. My slide collection is growing. Okay. Alright. So just got into the hotel. I'm about to take some photos in my African clothes because I wasn't able to take none yesterday, and then change into my outfit for the night. So I'll tune you guys back in. I can't talk too much because there's a lot going on, so yeah, just gonna get footages. Hi guys. Salty, got on your body, got it drip drip. Drip, gotta drip drip. Gotta lean, I'ma sip sip. drinking crocodile teeth, skimming something. No, now we're drinking.
Wait, what? The one with Nikki. The one with Nikki.
Okay.
Girl, yo, they put video of Scotty on Idol. Went all night yesterday.
Oh, he dropped something?
What?
Yesterday.
You gotta resign me?
The baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me, honey, but nobody